This rock looks like driveway gravel, but rocks almost exactly like it'd have sold for more than a used car. And one of the three on this list is worth more per gram than silver. The interesting part, most people walk past them every single day. In their gardens, in creek beds behind their house, in the gravel their contractor delivered. These are the three valuable rocks most likely to be hiding on your property right now, how to recognize each one in seconds, and what collectors actually pay. Some has fooled almost everyone who's found it. Stay to the end because the test for it takes 10 seconds and costs nothing. Number 3, flint and chert. It looks like a dull, waxy lump, grey, brown, sometimes honey-colored, and it's everywhere in limestone country. Break it and you get a curved, glassy fracture, like the inside of a seashell. That conchoidal fracture is the giveaway. Why is it worth anything? Knappers, the people who make blades and arrowheads the old way, pay steadily for high-grade material, and colorful banded chert sells to lapidary artists. Clean, workable nodules go for a few dollars a pound, and premium-colored material considerably more. One important warning: if you find an actual worked artifact, a real arrowhead, photograph it and leave it. Collecting artifacts is illegal on public land. Cheap per pound, but number 9 is where the price per pound starts climbing. Number 2, petrified wood. 200 million years ago, silica-rich water replaced buried wood cell by cell, turning trees to stone. The trick to spotting it: look at the end grain, not the sides. Growth rings, knots, bark texture in a rock that clinks like glass and feels far too heavy for wood. Wet it and the grain jumps out. Common gray material is modest money, but colorful Arizona-style rainbow material sells by the pound, and large polished rounds, the kind used for tabletops, run into the hundreds and even thousands. Number 1. Jasper, solid, opaque, and richly colored. Brick red, mustard yellow, forest green, jasper is chalcedony loaded with mineral impurities, and it hides in creek gravels across most of the country. It fools people because unpolished jasper looks like a plain-colored stone. The test: it takes a fantastic polish and no light passes through it. That's what separates it from its translucent cousin coming later in this list. Ordinary jasper is a few dollars a pound, but named patterned varieties. Picture jasper, poppy jasper, orbicular material are cut into cabochons that sell for real money apiece. 3 rocks, all hiding in ordinary places, and every one of them gives itself away in seconds, once you know the tests. If you want to go looking, we've mapped over 1,000 verified collecting sites across all 50 states, GPS coordinates, land access rules, and what's been found at each one. Completely free at rockhounding.org. The link is the first line of the description.